Welcome guys to King Arms IWA 2014. I'm glad to show our new product to you. So here it's just released. We just released a VSS AEG. This is a Gear 3. No, sorry. It's a version 3 gearbox AEG. So with a very nice wood stock here, and you can install a scope on it. Yeah. This thing is VAL. So it will come after the 3 to 4 months after the VSS, and at the end of the years, this year, the SR3Ms will come out. So as you see, King Arms is making their first gas pistol. So this thing is working very smoothly. And you just, oh, sorry, too nervous. It's just very solid and very, you know, good for a sign up. And we have our new DBs here, and of course the M1 Pala. Yeah, people want this very much. Okay, it's operating by CO2 or green gas, depends on what magazine you want. So this thing is using the AEG hop-up system, so you can modify or upgrade yourself.
Just using the standard AEG parts.
Yeah.
Great.
So the new sniper system from MDT. We just get the official license from MDT, and it's a very lightweight sniper system. So, and also CO2 or green gas magazine is available. There's another one here. The TAC 21. So you get the full size of tactical rail on it. So we start. Okay. So this is the King Arms GBB bowback Thompson's. I would like to show you the magazine. It works for the green gas, or later we will have a CO2 version. So for the World War series here, we have Russia, we have German, and also American.
So they're spring operated, or?
No, they are gas operated.
So only gas, or is there a platform to convert it into CO2 with a different bolt, for example?
So far now we decided to do it on green gas. Yep.
Great.
So the CAA Airsoft present the new tactical AK X47 will be available on about 3 months later. what we got here is a new M4 warning system. It's suitable for M4 or M4A1. So welcome to the King Arms. See you guys.